How do I know if my Chromebook is ready to work for me? Chromebooks use Chrome OS, which is frequently updated by Google. When getting ready for lab, it is always a good idea to let the Chromebooks be turned on and allow them to communicate with the network. This will allow the Chromebook to complete any background tasks that could have become available while the Chromebook was shut down. As a rule, the longer the Chromebook has not been used, the longer the time that should be allocated to allow the Chromebook to update on start. To see if the system resources are being used by the Chromebook in the background, you can access the Task Manager by pressing the Search button and the Escape button at the same time. Once this is open, if your administrator allows this, you will be able to see the processes that are active. You can prioritize the sorting of the columns by clicking on the column headers to change the sorting. This screen shows the processes sorted by the demands placing on the processor or CPU. The values for resource use will change over time. As the Chromebook operates, different processes will be created and place different demands on the Chromebook. It is best if you can allow for these processes to finish prior to the use of SPARKvue to make sure that SPARKvue has the device resources it needs to operate it. Performing system updates prior to lab will save time and frustration during lab. This will prevent processor, download, and memory demands for this process when you're conducting lab. If asked to restart to complete an update, please do so when you have the time for the Chromebook to complete the task. The update process can fully utilize available system resources and prevent your other applications from working properly. Even after restart of the Chromebook, resource demands may still be high for the Chromebook. If you have an Android store installed on your Chromebook, updates from this store, in addition to the Chrome Web Store, can tie up system resources. Even within SPARKvue, there will be different demands on the system depending on the type of data collection and the displays that are used. This is especially true for fast data sampling or the use of the FFT display. In this display, most of the resources of the Chromebook are dedicated to SPARKvue that is actively collecting data on an FFT display. In summary, give your Chromebooks time to check for and apply updates. Before starting lab, please check the Task Manager to make sure that there are not any high-demand background processes that could interfere with the operation of SPARKvue.